Hi, this is Mike Brents with LATICRETE. We're here today at the Pegasus Food plant that is wrapping up, almost done. Owners are moving in and taking over their spaces. As you can see, we've got equipment coming in. This facility is about 30,000 feet of urethane cement with our Pure Clinical Plus top coat, helping them fight the antimicrobial battle, as well as handling up to the forklift traffic and high demands of washdowns and thermal cycling that happens here. This has a combination, a value engineered sort of plan. Everywhere they couldn't afford urethane cement, so we have a combination of urethane cement, MVV, Pure, and Clinical Plus top coats in areas where they have extreme demand for where they have urethane cement. We also have some areas where we have a chip system in the bathrooms and locker rooms. We have a metallic system going in some office areas, and it really is a good indicative combination value engineered plan, totaling about 50 to 60,000 square feet total, and a project that's come together quite well with their needs in mind.